Hi parents, Miss Stone, and students. You can watch this too. I wanted to just mention a couple things. One is this is the last week I'm going to do attendance journals every day. I'm just going to do it on Wednesday because a lot of the kids are getting confused when they're at school and then they feel they have to go home and do it. I'm going to just do it on Wednesday. Otherwise, I'm expecting your kids to be online for the live meetings. I am going to have kids start logging on at 12:45 for reading. I know in the past it was 1, but with Mrs. DeCastro picking her kids up at 12:45, I want to keep that schedule so we're all doing reading at the same time. Something that your child should have brought home was this. It's in a page protector because they can actually write on it with dry erase marker. So if you look here, it's got the times of the day and then the days of the week across. So since today is Thursday, first thing in the morning they should do extra math, then Zern. This is Alex. And then that we wrap up at school, we're done with math at 11. I'm going to try to go live for social studies science depending on how far we're getting, because since I have them in class, I want to make sure that they're understanding what we're doing at math. So I told the students that over GoGuardian, I'll send a chat bubble if we're going live, and if not, I'll record it so it will be on the homeroom screen. So try to, if they can't be on around 11, we'll pick back up. I know this says 1. I want that to be 12:45. So we're going to log in at 12:45 for reading. We'll do the live lesson, and then for the rest of the reading on Thursday, they've got a study island assignment in there that will have today's date. And so again, since this is reading, it should be on the reading class, and then this is exact math. So if you kind of go day of the week and look down, that should help. The cool thing is with this is they can use a dry erase marker, and once they get extra math done today, just have them cross it off. Once they get the Zern done, have them cross it off, and then they can start fresh tomorrow. So hopefully that will help. I know there's been some confusion, so they want to pay attention. In the morning, again, it is math. So we've got math in the morning, reading in the afternoon. There is a 2-hour break here for lunch, and if they need, if they're not up on time, then they've got time to go in there. So hopefully that will help. On the back, I did put the special schedule, so you have that also. For homeroom, if you see social studies page, I gave these to the kids. I just kind of wrote SS, like this is SS6, so social studies page 3. That way they know what they're doing. So I wanted to clarify that and let you know. I know some of you are like, I don't know what my kid's supposed to be doing. So hopefully this will help. The other thing is on Google Classroom. Let's see if I can pick this up here and turn it around. Hopefully I don't make you flipping the camera around. Have them log in. So every day there's assignments. Like this is everybody for homeroom. If you click here, you'll see here we've got the morning announcements, attendance journal. Like I said, that's going to go away after this week. I just want to make sure the kids understand that. So I'm going to do it today and tomorrow, but starting next week, you'll only see that on Wednesday since we don't have live lessons. So social studies SS4 is the social studies page I just showed you, which if your kid's in reading with me, they have a binder, I put it in there. If not, I stapled it and had them put it in that red folder. And again, kind of watch to see if we go live at 11. I need to delete that, but then their specials will be on there. For my math, you're going to see the same thing. It's got today's date. You go there and it tells you what we're doing. Usually we're doing the math book together. Exit tickets, if they are at home, they need to do that because I check it when they come in. And then Alex 20 minutes on Thursday. Zern also, these are counting for grades. And then reading, again, you go to the date. So notice we're changing it to logging in at 12:45. We've got a video on here. Hopefully they're watching those videos because tomorrow I am going to give them a quiz over it. The grammar binder page 18, and they should be writing in their writing journal. So here's a topic. I know since they've been here, I gave them some graphic organizers to help them with their paragraphs. So if they would prefer to write on there versus in their writing journal, that's fine. But we definitely want them writing, because what I'm having are kids showing up that haven't done their work at home. And since I only have them for 2 days, it's really important that when they get here, I'm able to help them. So then you got ExactPath for 20 minutes. I know in conferences I talked about their MAP scores. ExactPath is linked to their MAP scores. So this is helping them on those areas that they need to grow. So hopefully that helps. If you have any questions, let me know. I am super excited. Your kids are doing great when they're here. I know they're super excited to be here. So we will continue to move forward. There is nothing for the fall party. I know that's a little sad, but just since, again, we only have them for 2 days, we're focusing on the academics, and just with COVID, it's just too much of a risk. Parents can't come into the building, and just making sure everything's safe. So hopefully COVID's over soon, but until then, we want to make sure everybody's staying safe. So thank you. If you have any questions, let me know.